Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Spark Mark here, and I'm back to do another review and unboxing. And what is this unboxing I'm about to do, folks? Well, and if you saw the title on the screen, you already know what it is, especially the photo. So, here it is. Basic packaging, nothing special. Alrighty. There it is. Citizen. And here's the watch itself. Here's the link, and you got your manual, but here's the link, and I had to remove like about 3 links. And there's the screws, I believe these are pins. And it's a AW0050-82E. And it's named the Garrison. I don't know why is it the name. Anybody knows about it? Let me know in the comments, because I don't seem to find anything indications. Why is it named Garrison? Is it named after some explorer dude? Whatever. But also, this watch would be in the wrist of Australian actor Vernon Wells in an interview for the making of or talking about the movie Nom Angels, which was released in 1989. Talking about how he got to work in the movie and he became good friends with the director Sergio H. Santiago. Working in the Philippines was great and this and that. And in the wrist, you're seeing this watch. And from a long distance, you can't even tell how it looks, but like, wow. And this is, of course, an Eco Drive. You see that, folks? Eco Drive. So yeah, amazing bracelet. Citizen on the clasp. Oh, sorry for that, folks. Amazing sharpness on the inside the bracelet. And you see these arrows just indicate the pin locks. And of course, there's only 2 holes. Depends if you like it like a little loose or a bit tight. It's your choice. And it's polished everywhere, baby. Everywhere. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a little screw if I want to put these back. I don't know if there's anything like pins or something like that. And all polished everywhere. I can tell what is that? Is that like, oh wait, never mind. Whatever this is, but let's look at the back, shall we? There we go. Citizen Eco Drive. Let's look at the other side better. Best that I can give you, folks. Oh, dang it. There we go. There it is. And it is the Japanese movement Eco Drive. Solar, that is. Very cool. Also, this watch in particular was released on August 10 of 2017. So yeah, I wasn't even aware about this watch. I was a bit into the G-Shock world, but the Citizens do catch my attention. So yeah, and also, of course, you heard me talk about the MCU movies. Very cool projects came out that year. Fun times I had. So yeah. And for the record, this is the wrong date. I gotta change that. So yeah, when you change the date, it goes in to the Thursday during the morning hours, and by the time it hits noon, it changes to a different word. Takes a bit while to adjust this thing. Needs to change the right date. So yeah, right now I'm on morning hour. So yeah. So when it hits a different day, when it hits a different hour of the time, it'll change to a Spanish word for lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes. Right now we're on Thursday. It'll change to jueves when it hits noon. So I'm still gonna be hitting until. That's just not the right time for the record. Yep, this is the right time, folks. So let's take a quick look how it looks on the wrist. That's how it looks, folks. And it is polished. Very good piece, though, to have for everyday use. And Myra, one more viewing before we go to music time. Sorry about that, folks. Alrighty, it's music time. Like right now. Let's go. Alrighty, folks. So with all that out of the way, we're gonna be playing a song from 2017 from the band called Portugal the Man with the hit song Feel It Still. Enjoy. That was Portugal, the man with the hit song, Feel It Still. Now, this song should have been used in the ending credits of the 2017 film Going in Style, starring Morgan Freeman, Michael Caine, and Alan Arkin. And yeah, that film is a reboot to the 1979 film, but I think it's sort of the same or different. I couldn't even tell. So yeah, and also, folks, if you like content like this or other content, please click the button, the subscribe button, to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content? Comments down below. So yeah, and also let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, video game collectors, autograph collectors. Heck, shouts to all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all, including convention goers that go to conventions and guys that go to theme parks. Heck, shouts to you guys, to you all as well. Posting in the YouTube/post community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, rather at I don't know, whichever time is possible. But if it's a day or two right before the actual date hits, check it very carefully. So yeah, wow. And what else? So keep an eye on that for any pre-orders or any other things that pop up in the YouTube post / community. Keep an eye on that. And also you got a couple more days, until 7 days I believe, until the pre-order at CSR Collectibles for the two female victims of Art the Clown of the first Terrifier movie. And yeah, better get that before the pre-order ends, like now, y'all. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Thursday, y'all, and enjoy the weekend. And keep an eye out for another video that might pop up in the weekend, because I'm going to animate Miami, y'all. So check me out there, folks. And the video's going to be coming up as well. Anyways, y'all, later.